Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Doing another video, Planet Fitness equipment specific to the torso rotation machine. This might be something they have at other gyms, so if you have that, this could apply as well. But I hadn't used this piece of equipment for a long time. Then I tried it, used it, kind of fell off. But I've really been working to increase stability and strength in my core. So I've come back to this. And it has made a great difference in building stability and strength to try to alleviate some back pain by building up some strength in my core. So highly recommend this. I have a clip here of using that torso rotation. There's a couple of different ways that you can do this. You can set it up so that you are just facing to the front and the resistance is when you're going out to the side, either way. Here in this clip, I am having it already turned so that I am having resistance coming to the center, but I'm having a really controlled eccentric. But I do mix it up. So as you see, I'm starting here in the neutral position and the resistance is coming to the middle, but then a controlled rotation back. But again, you can start in the middle and you can control that going out and coming back. It just doesn't give me as much of the range of motion that I like, but I do mix between the two. So you can try and see what you want to do. The thing that you don't want to do, that I do see people, they'll have it in the middle and they're just swinging wildly. The weight is not that high, which is okay to start with a low weight, but do it controlled. If you're using momentum and using your arms to pull yourself, you're not really doing much for your core. So slow it down. Lower the weights if you need to. Start low, that's good, that's okay. Control that out and control it back in. Alternate. You can just start with one side and repeat that and switch sides. Control it. Make sure that you are feeling that actually in your core or you're not working your core. Start with low weights and slow down. Swinging wildly with momentum, it feels like you're doing something, but you're not really doing that much that your body is going to be able to adapt to get stronger or build muscle. So torso rotation machine at Planet Fitness might have some other things similar to that at other gyms. But again, this has been great for building some strength and some muscle in my core to alleviate some back pain. So if you're someone that's dealing with some back pain, add this into your core workouts. I do a variety of things. I do some, the roller, ab rollouts. I do some different crunches. I'll do some different, twists, Russian twists with a weighted ball. But this gives me an opportunity to work my core and work on some of that rotation with resistance and do it in a controlled way. I've seen an improvement in my core strength, therefore alleviating some back pain that I had been dealing with, and it's improving. So check it out. Add this into your workout routine if you are dealing with similar situations or as a preventative, proactive measure. So if you have any experiences, leave those in the comments below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave those in the comments below as well. I'm going to be making some more videos on getting comfortable using Planet Fitness equipment or even just equipment that you have that's similar at your gym so you can feel comfortable working on your health, working on your fitness, get stronger, build some muscle, and feel confident doing it. Sometimes it does feel a little bit clunky, but hopefully by seeing what that could look like, you can get some confidence to try it out. It might feel a little bit weird at first. When I first started, it was like, yeah, okay, this is kind of strange. But you'll get over that, and eventually you're like, okay, cool, this is a new piece of equipment. I want to try this out. Go for it. Have fun with it, and if you ever need to ask a question, people are always very helpful, even someone else working out, but the people that work there, generally, they're pretty helpful. Check it out, share your experiences, and just go for it. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.